Hello, Teacher Maureen here. Thank you for joining me again. How are you? Are you happy? Sad? Angry? I'm a little angry because there's somebody upstairs jumping on my head. They're jumping. Probably you will hear them, but it's okay. And how are you? Are you happy? I hope you're happy. Look, no lo vais a creer. Today we have a new sound. Un nuevo sonido de Jolly Phonics. Do you want to see it? See? Yes, you want to see it. Okay, look. Here it is. Let's see. This is our new sound. Look, this is a shape, la forma, y la imagen. It's a ball and a bat. So, what sound do you hear? The sound is b, 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 b. Ahora te toca. Let's say it. B, b, b. Very good. Y cuando decimos b, 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 we're going to imagine we have a bat, una bate tenemos, and we say b, b, b. I almost forgot. We have to sing the song. Yes. ¿Queréis escuchar y cantar la canción de b, b, b? Yes, you do. So, open your ears and listen. Okay, get your bat and we are ready. 1, 2, 3. Bring your bats and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Very good. Otra vez again. Get your bats. And let's sing. 1, 2, wait. Intenta cantar conmigo. Okay, try. 1, 2, 3. Bring your bats and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bats and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Very good. Let's think of some words with b. Algunas palabras con b. An animal. Oh, this animal, it's a bunny. Can you say it? Bunny. Puedes repetirlo. Bunny. Bunny, very good. And look at this animal. Hemos visto en nuestro paseo de primavera on our spring walk. Do you remember? It's difficult. It's a butterfly. Butterfly. Ahora te toca. Butterfly. Yes, a butterfly. Y uno más. One more. Let's look at this animal. What animal is it? Yes, it's a pájaro. In English, we say bird. Bird. Let's see if you can say it. Repítalo. Bird. Very good. Those are our words with b. Las palabras con b. Bunny, butterfly, bird. B, b. Now, let's look at some Jolly Phonics sounds that we learned before. Who remembers this one? The gesture is like this. Yes, very good. And it is a fish. This always is my favorite. Mi favorito. This one, do you remember? Ahora te toca. Esto era lollipop. Well, an ice lolly. Let's see. Do you know this one? Yes, it was our umbrella. Let's put our umbrella and the sound was el sonido Okay, let me hear you say it. ¿Puedes repetirlo? Good job. And let's do 2 more. Yes, we have to go like this and we say the sound Your turn. Te toca. Very good. Y la última, let's do one more. Do you know? Do you know? Yes, let's see. The sound is... That's difficult. Yo, es muy difícil también. This is the gesture. The sound. G, g, g. Te toca. Can you say it? Good. G, g, g. Fantastic. Okay, those were our sounds. Do you remember? Let's see if you remembered our new sound. ¿Cuál era el nuevo? It was B. Okay? B, 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 b. Like bird. You say it. Bird. Butterfly. Butterfly. And bunny. Bunny. Okay, good job. I will talk to you later. Bye.